I've picked up the Boiling Hell's homing beacon. We're close.
Thundering rockets. What's that?
Captain, it's a rust storm. It could reduce our ship to a pile of iron filings in seconds.
Evasive action, Black!
That's more like it, Star! Evasive action!
But Captain, the Boiling Hell's signal is coming from within the storm.
Into the storm, Black! That's what Captain Star would do!
Yes, yes, into the storm. And Scarlet, pass me the Ark Summer Catalogue.
How are you going to tell the captain you can't even find the laundromat? Me? Why don't you tell him? Me? Why don't?
This ought to do it. Scarlet, take this catalogue number. Garden Gnomes, selection 23A. 4 tons of them.
Captain Bloater, I've lost the laundromat. Misplaced it. Can't find it at the moment. Could you show me the way?
Go away! We're trying to save the universe!
Quite all right, mister. I can save the universe myself. You run along with Jones.
Right, of course, Captain Star, sir. Come on, Jones. Drag me away from the captain, would you? Interpose your socks between me and my best friend? I'll show you.
But this is not the laundromat. This is the airlock.
Right first time, you nine-headed freak.
Thank you for selecting the option Mango Bear Trap Gopher. Airlock now in operation. In 30 seconds, all the air will be removed from the chamber and its contents will be ejected into space. Have a nice day.
Ready with those Garden Gnomes, Scarlet?
Ready, Captain?
The Garden Gnome should seed the storm, causing the rust particles to crystallize and fall harmlessly to the bottom of space.
Yes, I realize that, Captain.
Oh, now I've missed an exciting bit. Well, maybe this will teach you to come between me and the captain. The truth is, Mr. Jones, I don't want to stay in mission control. I want to see it blown into a million pieces!
Let me out! Let me out too! I can hear the space coming in. No, that's the air going out. Where's the washing machines? Help! I don't like the look of this, or the sound. I'm doomed. Hold your breath. Why? You're not. I'm holding my breath just so I can't smell these darn socks. Look, what luck. A 9-headed spacesuit. And it's just my size. Hurrah! And it's my colour too. What an amazing coincidence. Uh-oh. Missed me! To the bridge! Over the top or under the bottom? Let's go this way! What a lovely view! Move over! Don't breathe so much!
Activate the space vac.
We should see the Boiling Hell any second. I don't understand. Where's the ship? I'm still getting the signal.
Hello? My name is Boiling Hell. I belong to Captain Star. Please find me, Captain Star.
Wait, what's that?
Magnification. It's the homing beacon.
If this ship should dare to roam, turn it round and send it home.
Someone sent it into the junk nebula on a rocket in order to lead us on a wild goose chase.
But that means the Boiling Hell could be anywhere in the universe.
Yes, and we have only 4 minutes until the atomic alarm.
Oh, we'll never save mission control now.
That'll teach those imbeciles to ignore the great Captain Star! What did Mission Control ever do for us? Without them, where would we be? Free! Free to roam the universe, just the two of us!
Mister, you devil!
It's Bloater! How many times?
Hold on to your seats, everybody. Jones, where did you find a 9-headed spacesuit? With a broken head?
Luckily, there was a 9-headed spacesuit in the airlock, hanging up on a peg, thank goodness.
In the airlock?
He threw me into the airlock and told me it was the laundromat. The truth is, there is no laundromat on this ship.
No laundromat?
What kind of rocket has no laundromat?
My rocket has no laundromat.
That was different. That was my fault. At least you never pretended there was a laundromat.
No laundromat? And a 9-headed suit? Of course! Blaster, you diabolical fiend!
Bloater!
There is only one ship in this class without a laundromat. The boiling hell isn't lost! This is the boiling hell! Obviously, Bloater used some kind of super magnetic attraction device to steal and redecorate the boiling hell. A missile!
No! You'll spoil everything! With Mission Control gone, we can have adventure after adventure!
Hurrah! He's done it! He's shut off the missile!
Hooray!
I think you'll find you've deactivated the buzzer, but not the missile.
After it!
You'll never catch it in this old heat. Mission Control will be destroyed.
I think you'll find that you have seriously underestimated the abilities of Atomic Engine Stoker Limbs Jones.